Hey guys, what's up? I'm Maitreyi and welcome back to my channel. As you guys had already loved my festival look, so here I am with some more Indo-Western fusion look. Hope you guys like it, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. And family, and if you like this video, do comment down your favorite look from this festive look, and if you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and never forget, when you are going outside, to carry your mask.